Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is staying safe. And here we go, guys. We're about to see what's inside. Happy Halloween weekend to everybody. Hopefully you guys get some good candy out there. And now we got some good sales going on here. We got the Prime Day sales going on, Black Friday's deals, and also Cyber Monday. So definitely take advantage right now. All you gotta do is click the link down below in the description, and you can get one of these at a low cost. Ooh, definitely these come in handy now. This is coming from, I'm not sure who. Llano? Nano? It's Hano? There's a bunch of names for it. This is a Type-C TV box, wireless HD transmitter, and receiver kit. So you can hook up your phone, your tablets, your pretty much everything that has a USB. You could project it on other TV screens, onto projectors and other goodies. You need your phone access or your tablet, and just zap it to your big screens. Make the connection smoother. See, it's like different names. I'm not sure. That looks like a Llano. But then you go down here. It's like H, or maybe it is Llano. Okay. So here's the box. Good size. Now let's open it up. Take it for a test drive. And hopefully it runs smooth. But yeah, definitely take advantage now. Like I said, they got tons of sales going on. And if I were you, I would buy them now. Because 2026 might look different. So you get these deals now. Great stocking stuffers. Great for birthdays or whatever you guys celebrate. See? You hook this up to the receiver, projector, iPhone, iPad, Mac, Windows, Type-C 3.1. You can use mirror mode on iPhone. So, either or, it's all good. You got some cables in here. This is probably the app for the Android, which I'm going to be using. Here we go. Get this rocking and rolling today. Long enough cord, so that's always a good thing. Nope. I got my other backup phone, so we're ready to use that. And got another HDMI cord. I'm probably going to use my projector in my room, because that one gets lonely if I don't use it that much. But here we go. So basic HDMI. It's always good to have them covered. Now here is the little guy. Say hello to my little friend, which does amazing things. Super lightweight, nice silverish design. These pop out. Boom. 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 So I think you plug this into the device you want to project, or maybe this one. I'll figure it out once I get it rolling. You know, nice leather strap, so you could take this anywhere with you on the road. Got meetings. Got to turn these things on. Hold it for a few. Maybe got to take them out. Maybe I gotta charge it. Yeah, because the HDMI slot's there. 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 We'll figure this thing out. We'll be back. It's a good thing I didn't throw this out. I didn't even see this little slot here. So you get it. There's a HDMI port, and then the device, and then the other cable, USB cable, and then right here, this little sleeve, this little guy. So hold up, there we go. So I think this is for the phone. I'm charging my other phone right now, so this could be a few seconds or maybe a few minutes till that's fully charged, and then stay tuned for the whole setup. Okie dokie. Alright guys, here we go. We got it hooked up right there. And then this little guy goes right there, glows up LED, let you know that it is fully connected. I'm using my projector. Now I can do pretty much everything. Cruise my apps, check TikTok videos. Let's see if this works. Give me a second. There we go. See, it's 48 degrees. Bada boom. So now I could project anything that I want. Check my YouTube videos. I know that's not copyrighted. Oh, maybe it is. Hold up. Give me a second. But this thing is sweet. Easy to use. Easy to install. Like I said, you could use it for anything. Especially for college. Now we got a full video of my last video. Link will be down below. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend. Let me turn off the lights. YummyBazzaar. See, I could go like this. Multitask. Genius right here. Click on that. Boom. Look at that. Nice little new piece to add to the phone, or your tablet, or your MacBook. Like I said, excellent quality for videos. And like I said, you can watch your Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube TV, pretty much everything that you have on your phone. Oops, that was me. So there you have it. Definitely newer. And now we got it through. Whoa. Sorry about that noise. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Link's going to be down below. Take it easy.